Welcome back, guys. Today, as part of our beginner's guide to jet skiing, we're going to show you how to ride a jet ski in the next 5 minutes. So stick with me. Let's roll the intro. Okay guys, this is episode 12 of our jet ski series. If you haven't already caught up with them, jump back, check them out. There's lots on jet ski safety, what to take on your jet ski, everything you got to do before you actually get on the jet ski. So lots and lots of good stuff there. Also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future episodes as well. But today, it's all about how to ride a jet ski. So we're going through the basics, 101 on how to ride a jet ski. So from the simplest things to get you up and running. So let's get into it. Step number 1. So the first thing you need to do, you need to pull out your phone, hit the Google up and look up any local laws that you have in your local area, because everywhere is different. For example, here we need to have a license to ride a jet ski, where I'm pretty sure in other countries you don't need a license. You can just jump on, hit the accelerator and ride off into the sunset. But check them out because you don't want to get in trouble when you're out there. Okay, so step number 2, it's time to put the jet ski in the water if it's not already in there. Even if it is in the water, you're going to want to make sure that you've got knee-deep water to start, because you don't want to suck anything up into the jet ski. For those who are unaware how a jet ski works, Jet Ski 101 sucks water up and then pumps it out the back. Whoosh. So therefore, you need to make sure there is water for it to suck up, so it's not sucking up any sand, any rocks, any shells. So make sure you're knee-deep. Once you are at knee-deep, jump on the jet ski, and then from there you're ready to put the key on. So step number 3 is the key. So the key, make sure it's attached to either your wrist or your life jacket, and plug it on to the little nipple looking thing. That won't start your ski, don't worry, that's just going to give you access to the power of the ski. So once that's on, start the ski. To start the ski, you'll find a little red button, usually on the left hand side of the ski. If you hold that in, you'll hear a double beep, just like that. And from there, your ski, depending on your model and make, will either take off, not fast, don't worry, not fast, it'll be very slowly, or if you've got a higher end model, it'll start in neutral because you have the IBR attached to your ski, but we'll get into that a bit later. So from there, the next thing to do, you obviously want to start going forward, because that's how jet skis work. You're going to hit the accelerator. So that's step number 5, the accelerator. You'll find that on the right hand side. It's a little trigger looking thing, and that's where you're going to get all your power from. Remember, these are extremely powerful machines, so you're going to want to take it slowly if you are a beginner, which you obviously are if you're watching this video on how to ride a jet ski. So slowly, very, very slowly pull the trigger in until you start moving forward at a pace that you're comfortable with. Whatever you do, do not squeeze the trigger hard or firmly or pull it right down. Otherwise, you are going to bunny hop and jump out of the water, and that's when you're probably going to get yourself into a little bit of trouble. So very, very slow on the accelerator to start off with. Guys, on a side note, these are absolutely fantastic. I don't know if you've seen them before, but in New Zealand, Australia, probably the most famous or popular energy drink out, and they are delicious. So hunt one down to your local. Love it. Some good. And then step number 6, guys. Step number 6, guys, is to obviously turn the jet ski. It's not going to turn itself. You do have to do some work. It's as simple as, if you're wanting to turn left, pull down on the left. If you're wanting to turn right, pull down on the right. Nice and simple. The major catch though, so the hot tip, this is where a lot of beginners do get themselves in trouble because it's unique to jet skis. To turn a jet ski, you need to be accelerating. So remember, on the right hand side, run, you need to be pulling that trigger in as you turn, because that's where you get your power. If you're not accelerating, no water's going to push out the back, and you're going to be doing this and not turning, and that's when you could hit something. So to accelerate, hold down the button and then turn. The more you accelerate, the faster you'll turn. But yeah, hot tip, remember you have to accelerate to turn. I can't stress that enough, because I've seen so many crashes online just because people haven't been holding down the button to turn. So that's the basics of jet skiing. That will get you up and running. That will get you moving forward. That'll get you turning from A to B. So that's the beginner's guide. Step number 7 is most skis will also have an IBR, which is the intelligent brake system, which you'll find usually on the left-hand side of your ski. Once again, that is just the opposite of the accelerator. That will put you in reverse or stop you. But once again, your best form of turning is to accelerate and turn. The brake's not going to stop you instantly like a car. Hopefully that's helped. I told you we'd have 5 minutes on the clock. I think we've got through it all in 5 minutes. But for whatever you do, take it slowly as a beginner, build your way up, and then before you know it, come back and check out my videos on how to jump, how to spin, 360s, donuts, and all those good things. Get out there, have a lot of fun, and don't forget to hit the subscribe for episodes 13, 14, and 15, which are on their way. My name's Mitchell, and I'm out. Peace.